October 8th and 9th are Amazon's big deal days, and it is unfortunately extremely common for companies to artificially inflate their normal prices before these sales so it looks like a deal when it isn't. And tracker sites like Camel unfortunately can't see promo codes or coupons, so their data isn't really accurate. So to combat this, my wife has been manually tracking the prices of over 100 products that I've recommended on my channel every single day so we can separate the real deals from the fake ones. And here they are broken down by category and ordered by how big of a deal they are. Starting with robotic vacuums, the Eufy S1 Pro, which is the best robotic vacuum and mop on the market and the one that I personally use, is currently at its lowest price ever at $999, which is a great deal. But if that's too much, the best value in robotic vacuums and mops, the DreamTech L10S, is just $499, which isn't a new low price for Big Deal Day, but it's still an amazing deal. And if you're just looking for a vacuum and not a mop, the Roborock Q5 Max was the winner of my budget vacuum competition, and it's also at a new low price of $299 for Big Deals Day. And if mopping is your number one concern, the Narwhal Frio is also at a new low price of $550, which is $50 less than it was back in July on Prime Day. For projectors, the Nexago Aurora Pro was the best darkroom ultra short throw projector in 2023, and my 2024 video comes out on Thursday, and spoiler alert, it is still the darkroom king and happens to be on sale for $2289 for the projector alone, or $2,500 when bundled with a 100-inch Fresnel screen, which is the same amazing deal that they had during Prime Day. If you're looking for a standard throw projector, the winner of last year's lifestyle projector video, the Hisense C1, is at its lowest price ever at $1399, and JMGO has all of their first generation projectors on sale with the N1 down to $599, the N1 Pro at $849, and the N1 Ultra is at a new low price of $1399 for Big Deals Day. If you're looking for a budget projector, the best one under $300 is the Nexago PJ40, and it's currently on sale for $199, which is a pretty rare sale, and the best projector under $75, the Haprun H1, is currently at $4199. And last, if you're looking for something a little more portable, the Dangbei Atom is $20 lower than it's ever been at $679, or $719 when bundled with its gimbal stand. October is the perfect time of year to take on your outdoor holiday LED project, and Govee has a perfectly timed sale on their 100-foot outdoor lights kit, which is currently at its lowest price ever of $179. And if you're looking for something with a warm white option, the Eufy 100-foot RGBW kit is also down to $179. If you're going the DIY route, Alto power supplies, which rarely go on sale, are all 20% off, and the Mazada spotless aluminum channels are at their lowest price ever for $29 for a 6-pack. For security cameras, the Blink cameras are back down to their crazy Prime Day price of just $39 each, and the Wired Ring Video Doorbell 2 is also down to $149, which is its lowest price since Prime Day. But the real story is that my 4 favorite Reolink cameras, the TrackMix, Duo 2 Floodlight, CX810, and RLC843A, are all at their lowest prices ever, at $119 for the TrackMix, $126 for the Duo Flood, $77 for the CX810, and $88 for the 843A. And the Reolink doorbell is also on sale, though it's not as low as it was on Prime Day. As always, there are no sponsored reviews on this channel, but I do have links down in the description for everything in this video, as well as a link to my price tracker graph and to a Google Sheet with prices that I'll keep updated in case anything pops up over the next 2 days. And as always, I appreciate when you use those links, since as an Amazon affiliate, I do earn a small commission on the sale at no cost to you. Amazon has again given me the opportunity to give away 2 $500 gift cards, and instructions to enter that giveaway will be on my Instagram by noon Eastern today, which is October 8th. If you found a great deal that I missed, make sure you post it down in the comments and I will add it to a pinned post and in the description. And as always, thanks for watching The Hookup.